Okay guys, for today's video, we will tackle about the restorative justice, retributive justice, and the therapeutic modalities. We will identify what are the differences to each other. Let's start. First, we will define first what is restorative justice, retributive justice, and lastly, the therapeutic modalities. Justice is a process through which remorseful offenders accept responsibility for their misconduct, particularly to their victims and to the community. It creates obligation to make things right through proactive involvement of victims, ownership of the offender of the crime, and the community in search for solutions which promote repair, reconciliation, and reassurance. Thus, the restorative justice process is actively participated by the victim, the offender, and or any individual or community member affected by the crime to resolve conflicts resulting from the criminal offense, often with the help of a fair and impartial third party. Retributive justice, on the other hand, has been related to the institution of criminal punishment. Retribution involves the imposition of appropriate sanction or punishment for violation of the penal law. The state, through prosecution before a judge, must establish guilt of person for violation of the law. Following the determination of guilt, a judge imposes the appropriate sentence, which can include a fine, incarceration, and in extreme cases, and a penalty of death. The therapeutic community is an environment that helps people to get help while helping others. It is a treatment environment that the interaction of its member are designed to be therapeutic within the context of the norms that required for each to play the dual role of a client therapist. At a given moment, one may be a client role when receiving help or support from others because of a problem behavior when experiencing distress. Difference between the restorative justice and therapeutic modalities. The restorative justice refers to an approach to justice that seeks to repair harm by providing an opportunity for those harmed and those who take responsibility for the harm to communicate about to address their needs in the aftermath of crime. While in other hand, the therapeutic modalities is a self-help social learning treatment model used for clients with problems of drug abuse and other behavioral problems such as alcoholism, stealing, and other antisocial tendencies. Lastly, the difference of retributive justice to restorative justice is retributive justice requires the punishment be proportionate and meted out at the same level as the crime committed. In the biblical times, retribution was explained with the example of an for an eye or tooth for a tooth reference in the books of Exodus and Leviticus. That's all for this video. I hope you learned something from my discussion and thank you for watching. Bye-bye!